your full good party radio station.
Turn my radio up.
Okuma Radio 97.1. We bring on the best.
Yetiasia yatima Ewurade yewu so ewu Ewurade se yetiasia o se ewu ye Ewurade dia mamu nyina ha de badu kron nso wa chipo ba kon so Okuma Radio so ena sabri yedi ahia yi era wase ye ma wamo pa sabri na do nyina wunya bre na wutie Okuma Radio yenya wupo koso a na ne yentra sa ye don yenu se sana wososo wodoyen no miensa abapa wonsime makomakomienu akwaba drive dwumadie no na sabre madaroma yede ebrem kopim se nonum ne fa bebo apai mu ye didwa ye bonyum ye kansam de de fa ho ye jiwani a apanfo nyina ya krado ameka apanfo no a womo ya ne bomu ye adwuma no nyina opia wa ha DJ Donzi ensemo bi se mawie die ano ohye Ziki B ano soso e wo ha no mo MCR bo adwuma fall intanachi nana kwame amposadi mimi di kwame oyene da ko Methodist fo nyina amrante ahene Methodist sofo ba ko aka am wo be pase akuapem okrempotemu mini DC ena kwa asore DC nanado ten nkache honi butu kwa asore ya eventually ansuma ho sabre na do nyina so tie yen ena rokon me ba so ena e baji ani pa Yewura KAB Kofi Anson Bafo na watwotwo nsem nyina de ama yen ono ane executive producer at Majumadi.
Everybody do what you do when you smile.
And then Yewura afenyo mark asem bi yebehwem ane na asem no yebehwem kama Ebeba fie ani ebeba fie efie pe ni ebeba pati ase yema wo mo teacher for carpenter for mason for lawyer for wo bibliotie Okuma Radio yema mo sabe de nyina ha mamu nyina akwa bo
welcome with the Lord akwa welcome with the Lord Akwaba Bon Arrive
Okuma Radio 97.1. What if I'm is rocking? We are blazing.
When you are so waza, waswa sumentasa, wano sumuntumankasa. When you are so waza, waswa sumentasa mo, wano sumuntumankasa. When you are boy, maswa betia, manreke ata samanama. When you are boy, maswa betia. Manreke ata samanama. Inti wama mirebi, oh mamre. Inti wama mintebia, oh mamitebia, oh mamre. Inti wama mekebi, oh mamikebi, oh mamre. Inti wama mekebia, oh mamikebi, oh mamre.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Weza, waswa sumentasa, wano sumuntumankasa. When you are some waza, waswa sumentasa mo, wano sumuntumankasa. When you are born, maswa betia, mano keke otasa mo. When you are born, maswa betia, mano keke otasa.
Hey, station radio man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
My bro. Muweza, muwano sumutumikasa, muwaswa sumutumikasa. When you are sumuweza, muwaswa sumutumikasa, muwano sumutumikasa. When you're going, maswarkati, sana manurkeke, other samanamai. When you're going, oh maswarkatia. Nana manur keke oza samunamo. Inti wama mjebia, mabre. Wama mitebia, mabre. Wama mkasa, wama mkebia, mabre. Wama mkebia, mabre.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Station radio man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio 97.1. It's Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
What's my back in money on dressing? The music,
Okuma Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. And the 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Obradi mi edrechiro, minenemo. Obradi mi edrechiro. Minenemo. Obradi mi edrechiro, minenemo. Obradi mi edrechiro.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Yakani nyonimo wako bia wosi yanko. Papa koda baby ayana, papa kotia semo yentie, papa ko una dia ye uno. Dansi meye di deni yo, minenemu. Obradi mi edrochi, minenemu. Obradi mi edrochi.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Yadisi kaneto, meko binsusu yankaniko, nansi ebeni denio, minenemu. Obradi mi edrochi, minenemu. Obradi mi edrochi.
Party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever.
Obradi mi edrochi, minenemu. Obradi mi edrochi.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Obradi mi edrochi, minenemu. Obradi mi edrochi, minenemu. Obradi mi edrochi, minenemu. Obradi mi edrochi.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
your friend on Samampo. Talk your home as soon as a ma. I am the baby cremo, Minanamu, Obrad the mere drudgery, Minanamu, Obrad the mere drudgery. Yeah, I'm going to baby, I am. Tia semwa yentie papa ko mu adia yemu no dan sumedie me pabo menenamu obrade me adroji menenamu obrade me adroji menenamu obrade me adroji menenamu obrade me adroji.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio, yes, baby. Okuma Radio, yes, baby. Okuma Radio, yes, baby. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1.
Some names for you. From my Adam Futawati, I reward every video.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma ini, the Kramu Church. The Kramu Church.
Kolomashi, Yadabo, Kolomashi, Yazenam, Kolomashi, Iyanyi, Kolomashi, Aye, Kale Kolomashi, Yadabo, Jole Kaprevesi, Ipan Sabio.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1. Akuma Radio. Akuma Radio 97.1. Akuma Radio. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Akuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. And the 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Rockin', we are blazing. Akuma Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya, Akuma Radio 97.1. Akuma Radio.
I worry moon to away. If it be my bread, I'm running one.
Asena DJ Donzi owo mitirimu ne. Mesi yewura afenyo markings asem no ma ye ho adwuma nyina wi.
Se wodo ye ni na.
Computer man ka nipa bewu.
Se wodo ye ni sika.
Ampa o.
Ani te koma me ko.
Afedi e mabre. Koma me ko.
Afedi e ma pai.
Yewura o hwe ye efi eye ahafu Kenya ase. Yamishira pa. Ahafu Kenya ase fo nyina minchia mo. Mama ha awie yi.
Usikechi mama dani akwa o.
Minim sanka mama.
Koma me ko.
Koma me ko. Koma me ko. Koma me ko. Koma me ko. Koma me ko. Ebra David ani Goliath entokwa no ebeba so no.
Koma me ko na pedia.
Akasakasa bebre ebemu.
Menim sanka mama. Usikechi mama.
Na David ekoto se. Goliath etwa Israel fo mpoa.
Koma me ko na pedia.
Wono de na ntokwa no won kan bi. Soldier fo na ekoko no abrante David na wonye ntokwa ni na won ko ntokwa ni bi. Na emu yesi obi ama ne san obi okote yese Goliath awo free guard.
Menim sanka mama.
Wo trampoa.
Mama dani akwa o.
Wo trampoa no ama ebi ka Israel fo nyankopon no obi wo hono mu a udidi na tam a enya ne hwe na mo ka ne papa anane maame a obi say yes o sufufuru bi.
Koma me ko na pedia.
Ana abrantie no onya otima onya odo adman nyankopon mese in African leaders asofo ye maame nom odo aye wo ma even yankasa ye ho kra no ateko fam. Abrantie nya odo manyame o onya odo enya bre mi bisa o se baabi a wo ye adwuma baabi a wo tse baabi a wo ukura wo fim o odo makuro no o odo mabusia no o odo mafie no o tema menka ne tema o tema emma adwuma na obi afa wo ye na na o tema emma boro no a wote so no ana adwuma wo ye no o tema emma adwuma no ana obi won mo ye adwuma ebegu egususu no de ye o e wa sofuom e wa busuam e wa fie e wa boro no so ana David tijana no say why na obo Israel nyame awora no why we be sabida say why ana betumi abo ya busua why na betumi abo ya ma why na betumi abo kwabman why na betumi abo Ghana why na betumi abo ameyire why na betumi abo amekunu we be sabida na David ebisa asem no bra oko ayi ni tie. Ana umbo na manie say your friend Goliath. Eme obidi amohu tie. Me say eme obidi amohu anya sa wasehwe ni wawie ye eno ano no. If you let names frighten you, you are doomed and you are gone forever. And that's me wie pa. Obidi ebi ane papa ne jani di ono nkata ne di na ho den bia nim ya de na obidi ebu abam obidi ebo hu abrantie David eko line mu bio koto ni nuanom soldier fo so mu gira hono mo akoto ni nuanom soldier fo no David de no onye soldier ni no hwam enwan so da kromegbe ho so bio me time preach your radio so me preacher na asema Daudi esa akoka je ni nuanom se metumi ni Goliath yi ako obrane okatachie a wotiemu a wonya bomu a na mranti akọ soldier training Ghana ha akọ soldier training 6 months e mo ye kakra fa ho na o mu dwane Abranti asukọ no mako gira ho no mo se metumi ne nako practice be na waye
se odoye ni na wo
udim David ko ka gira ohene so se metumi ni Goliath akono ohene so ka chen se wuntumi ohene na ya bo ne nkurafo no se wuntumi wonso susuma obi mu wabam mesi susu obi bu wabam a meme haw obi se wa meme haw obi bu wani mutie meme haw you know what you carry me obi an misem ye grace of for ha me obi anim me obi an misem ho osere me yinsen kwa obi anim ha me me obi an misem fie bread ya kuapem ha me obi an misem ye adwuma okoman ha me obi an misem pefufuo ha me so obi anim se me yosofo ha me so obi nim se yo kronfo na be ha wa jai obi nim se yo trofo na be ha wa jai obi nim se yo anenemiamia maso grofo girls and grofo boys jai stop it David is met me nako na Hannah David naming the price for price tag be to ho so what you say anyi bia na sisa ukọ donzi as a matter of fact enye call bia na sisa ufa ese ohwe nipa ni bi asemasi we o meka asem bia hwe enipa bi wono ma block wo mo efi wo list so block them take their number all right but block them they would be say ni oni Goliath be ko no obetumi abono no ede ne ebe ma no wudi gwagwansa ye ma odan utwa grofo 90 ye ma odan ede ne ebe ma no ane ka che David say ni obetumi abo sa Goliath wo hene be che na japade mienu afa wo de ne baba ebe ma no de ebe aware mesi ade na ho ye no se unya so faso bi ajai emra mi hu yesi koku obi wa hu unya so faso Professor Dr. Pokubensi kasem bi wa ha wasi wo mo se ekro farm agu wa wunye bi da no ne oka no wonte nase na wa ye bi da no obeti ase ukona abram ma jane na so na ni abre eton na ade a unya ba bi nkase ma amene de tie me se ade na wo ye no wona onu maso mfaso koso na ye se wonni mfaso bi se mfaso bi amre wa jai. Don't just be a Roman ambassador. Now they will trampoa. Asimasi wedi na no empocha wedi first wom. Will be preaching wa so dem kambrofo. Am obi na no e interpretation me etua ne ka. Wo de wo de wanu trampoa. Am ye ntua ka wunya hwe jai. Stop it. So wo do property shan kom enkom hunu. Abaye wonkom, otan wonkom jai. Stop it. They would say, ni oni obeku Goliath be man den. Wo de wo kumbro numu. O se me de mabo. Me ntokwa nya me kwa me jeko. Tie oyonko na kwakwa na o se. Ye be man no ajapade ne de oba ma no. Wo de okokeka wo free. Wo free. Okokeka wona no wo kwan. Ekwente be de ole. Ekwente faso be so. Entokwa enfaso bi ani so na wona na wo ko. Brother David say oku Goliath be man den. They say nani nuanum soja for ho. Ni nuanum soja for ho. En fa so ye kuma obetwa baba ye okese. Entokwa ne ba so hu. Ana David ye de ben. Enti ye di David ne bo hye ne manana ya mfa ama no. Obetumi apeja wo ho. Wa kasa obetumi apeja wo ho. Enti bo ho so na peja wo ho. Na awurade enhira eni wanim. Na enfa wonko bo sha asase so wonte na nim nkirew na won pejaw adoma incident enkuku hunu kuntokwa adin kurumdie ane abasobo ebebra wo no wabusua wo Yesu Kristo dimo me no akasa wie me dase
Station Radio Man Kenya Okuma Radio 97.1 Hey
So
Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio. The 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. It's Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio. 97.1. Okuma Radio. Okuma Radio 97.1.
Sumawa. Nana na play too. Na mama na papa. And when you dara, rock me so. Anyone of you wanna, I can say. Anyone of you wanna, I can say.
Okuma Radio.
San mama pasa. Agemi san mama pasa.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Anyone of you wanna, Agemi say. Everyone of you wanna, I hear me say,
Okuma Radio. Hey, station radio man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey.
Sisi bom, tabun bom, sisi bom, tabun bom, ya zawaya. Sisi bom,
Okuma Radio.
Sisi bom, tabun bom, ya zawaya. Afraid you can't tap no phone control. Sisi bom, tabun bom, this man I go. Akoko we twensu, akwe twensu ma bencha wake tro. Aye, twensu manako, nana play tu. Twensu manako. Akoko we twensu,
Okuma Radio.
akwe twensu ma bencha wake tro. Aye, twensu manako, nana play tu. Twensu manako. Ananan trouble, asaman trouble, ananan trouble, desumana kwan trouble, desumana kwan, ananan pletu, desumana kwan, ananan pletu.
Hey, station radio man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio. And 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
Let it flow, let it go. Nigga don't work every day, every night like a chain gang man. Do the kind of pride gets to the roof. What you gonna say? What you gonna do when the African train come down? Takwa the police, I fear police. Sekule police, Ekwani police. Olgatanga police, Tamale police, Chumami, or the farms are back to go.
Kumaini, Jenny, the Kramuche.
Takradi police, I fear police, Sekune police, Impane police, Olgatanga police, Tamale police, Chumami, or the farms are back to go. Papa Superintendent, Chewere Mazo, by your business.
And 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okuma Radio.
This is our goal. Other miracle, my baby, Sergeant Brarani, Sergeant. This is Sergeant. Other miracle, my baby, Sergeant Brarani, Sergeant Brarani,
Okuma Radio.
Sergeant Brarani,
And 7.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Media Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Media Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Radio 97.1.
Yes.
We are blazing. Kuma Radio 97.1.
I go pay you tomorrow. Superman. I go pay you tomorrow. The late AB Crystal. What do you do? No nine pepe. Yeah, matter is for the framework. Hallelujah. I go pay you Muda. Marty. Chicago Sport and Nana Boateng. Montebio. Abina Mama One. Ajumai, what's the one sacrament? So, no one, eh? Ora kwasida ako. No Barbara Timwa. Obese. Na ene nana kwame edi. Sorry painting. Yami edi ahode ura kwame edi mu. Solo so ye bompai ma solo papa. Sa awurade beka solo ho. Ana ho atumi aye ne den. Ajaw de woni afato o. Aduan de ayampo. Na yabo. Na nana kwame edi ebeba. Na kwasi bia hotel. Anyumu ya na bekoso. Anyumu ya na bekoso weekend yi. Efia memenda. Anyumu ya na bekoso the migrant one. Ghana Immigration Service. And a baby bo anyum. Oh yeah. Kwa Sibia Hotel. Kwa Sibia Hotel. A kropo kuapem Barbados. Teacher Ochain ne kwan so no mbutu. Hotel papa. Yeah. Empanyin phone line pa. Emrante mabo prema fo mani abue. Mo mu fie bro kira ba no nyina mo pa weekend yi. Bo mo pa ba bi akwatena dwedwe mo ho. Serene environment. Luxurious area. Baby a sebi obi o kekra no yemfa no ho. Eno ane kwa sibia. Kwa sibia. Musemu pa kwa sibia na mu benya. Yeah. Ay urade Nigeria ni beka chai Sabo kwa sibia na okwa hono mu a mesra wo se ne atoto niema security ani adan se ne yesesi adan ni mu ye urade nyankopon baabi efe na kwa sibia hotel de ehwo efe papa dan chuo mu gina mu kama ejina na naso papa pampi adano sikani we bae anse si despite mu nyina machi de mu nyina ade mo ne behwe bia no ko ai Jesus baby efe na meka kwasi bia hotel wan asem yi
Sala give me half I go pay you moon die The children they cry for trouble. So wahala in my house. I go pay you tomorrow. I better just give me quarter. I go pay you tomorrow. Sala give me half. I go pay you moon die.
Nana Kwame Ampon said this right crowd say sports no and I can say Ghana instrument tuntum say nipa we edin yesi ye nya nsusu so nipa so and na instrument tuntum so de mbo wuni cap no hwe beche I
better just give me quarter. I go pay you tomorrow. Sala give me half. I go pay you moon die.
Anti ye nche gbe kwa go pramaso aha na kwa sibia hotel a luxurious hotel situated at Kropon Kuapem in the eastern region no one sound as abro obia eka kama unya sika hwa na obekọ ba me edi se wose onu unya 7 billion no a gise TV so anti TV black and white na correct no se ni mienu nyina both of the two both of the two of them I tell you and premium suit come on kwa media mema kwa me kura ba Kwame akwaba
Diman
now yeah
nyame adom se na de bia me kama asem se yo wan be fa atene ne fo enko no nya wi fo bola fi bibia fine
no ya adwen
both of the
two of them both of the two of them
both of the two of the couple Diman
original ko am see what program bi asina best man what twa bia say oh another me ire jam ho
wedding as yele jalo
me jam ho madam fu na wari enche begu mo mo asem ura ire na wari
Diman original esi ase ya che
papa oh yeah me say ajman kra na afanya markings ade na my research no
afenyo
markings
okay
you afanya markings krono a omo parliamentarians so mu kwa no Kwame krono nyina omo dodo no 113,131 131
okay
yes na krono parliamentarians near 14
okay
omo 14 pe na omo kasa ba kwa mani gem pa ye fra krono microsenia na omo oceania mu hono mu na krono omo kasa ba kwa mani gem wa ye Kempengamarga Kempengamarga KAPINGAMARANGI Kempengamarga Krone MICRONESIAN Krono no na mukaka kasa makuma konson omu di dollars krono no Microsenia
campaign
kasa ba ko mo kanu eye campaign gambarga kasa ba na ba ko so ye nukuro NUKURO kasa mo kan okuro mu hono no na parliamentarians ne ye 14 14
14
parliamentarians trouble yom last time I'm trouble the parliamentarians no 7th March 2023 and I'm yi enipa no okro no eso mo je se bia ko yed mom na mo so tuma bibi on be bibi enti sports bre na aso simadumu na Kwame Edi opodwuma ne tel na de nya tuma kon kase blasters eso e wa yonkofa kan si enti no yentwa homra na Kwame emrem Kwame yema akaba bi emra akaba drive ne so
Diman me sanje osubiem na me osubiem na we heavy papa Diman
original
bibia de dem tino me kan wo mo
o ka wo
ride akoma 97.1 awia nso ya sen atena sia agure mu nsam ekochi kobreman ane ne bonito na fenso no nsama wodo no yenso no yatimi ere atudwa enso no ere ma dia ye be sase enso no ere free the Black Stars of Ghana kache onim se yawa day enim ewa Kumasi Papa Yara Sports Stadium against Angola na just a big game ebeto dwa we AFCON 2024 qualifiers eno so mpanyifo achese emra so no eno so betumi atudwa enso na Kumasi Papa Yara Sports Stadium na nei coach and the Chris Hilton onom ene head coach and the Black Stars of Ghana onim so watuma nemi the 25-man squad eno so no omode eko game no na channel so se coach enya medru Ghana ebre menu kase enanwumre ana coach Chris Hilton ono so babedu Ghana na fin so no watutu niama na se niama so no etimi akoso edema Black Stars boboko no na ne coach ne nto medu ye no ne nyana se ne papa akema ye se enrada ana coach Chris Hilton ne papa ano so no yetumi esie no enso no United States ona se ne no England mountain so aho ana ne coach Chris Hilton ne papa so mpanyfo eja no kwan krakra enso wo ha ye hwe nim se nanwumre coach Chris Hilton azuba be piemu enso no Ghana na fi so watutu niama na se no so Jordan ni unveiling no enso no ebekoso Kumasi Papa Yara Sports Stadium aho ana coach Chris Hilton ono so yepa no hontoma na che supporters ana finso no Ghana man say ne ye coach ono so ba be kirem na finso wo boy adwuma ama the Black Stars of Ghana eso etuma fa no etuma perfra no papa no so etimi ayasa adwuma na ne nsema ano so no etudwa yenso ne yere ma yetie for ne yere so Black Stars akache no be etudwa enso na dia ma sempanyfo se kira onom se ne no dwumadi esonko abekoso the State House of Parliament na say they no yenu Christian Achutwa Sam ne yenu be koso the Black Star players they better touch down no e be call the Ghana Football Association and penny for so be call na fin so no wa ko pure last respect and so no etimi edema yenu Christian Achu na zigi zabaya fa Achu ayi no to so na yen kono preko na fin so amanfo hu nsese no se ne no so ebesifa akọ edema yenu Christian Achu say ana ne yenu nsese no and so etie shannon so say china and so no paso and so no the forecourt of the State House on kan hon sem nyina no yeso ne yere pa china aropa no nsia ne fa no ene no yede Christian Achuba tumpem na fin so no akadom adofo Ghana titiriw ene mo fia manane banyina no so pa na fin so mo betwa hia yenu ne hom na say o ma pay o last respect and so no ede am yenu Christian Achuba so na bo nonko ene fa anasa nonko pepe na 9 am no and so no efusom and so be koso burial and Thanksgiving service and so be koso china aropa nonko pepe the forecourt of the State na fin so ye wia non do me no apono na fin so ye the body ni nyina akwa kopiem awa dan na just say ene no yenu Christian Achu ene kroma ni dim enso ene dogo bombe ho ene no Christian Achu twasam empanyfo so beko na fin so no amakosie no hye no sam memenda enya de ambetena se kwasiada ebusuan ebesia ewa ebusuan fie enti unye ebusuani a kwasiada mengongo pie wo engo ye nhwehwe ni mbia Ghana fo ene ye mfra okura no oginam ye mfra okura no oginam kwasiada ebusuan nkura ene etena se no masia enso na ebusuan fie eno so St. Peter's Mission School enso no ewon kan na ebusuan atena se na fin so no ne wo hobia no enkomo no amatumadi na etena wuramu the State House of the another forecourt of the State House ene tuntum ene kobin ana wo so betumi ahye na ese onso no watumi ede awuram enka se etena no okoma 97.1 eba wuram na fin so the live update report enso na de april enso no ewo dwumadi no sentene no yenua Christian Achu Twasam ono so no ewuram na yese na yie no yenso yetumi dia wana da bo amanfo bisa se Christian Achu na yere ene nkwana no mabedu ana ma confirm informa se Christian Achu na yere anedim enso ene eye Gloria Twasam ono nya medu ye nyina no anwumere ye monitor airport se Christian Achu na yere ene nkwana no enso ba bedu ene anwumere ye se reporters na tiasim enso na airport a me no ka se Kotoka International Airport no your reporter ha ono so monitor update ne ba o se enyam Achu na yere no onyam medu ye na emo no nipa no hwe nim se busu hwe nim se na anwumere Christian Achu Twasam na yera ne din ade Claria Twasam ono so be lande abe touch down airport na finzo ni kunu na damfo papa na de ba ko pe Christian Achu Twasam ono so no etimi abe pe na chi krabe na eseniama enso no aye kama ede mana the boy sani aye no akoma 97.1 yes we pay a last respect enso no ede ama Christian Achu Twasam ti donzi abe na eni no ode Grace Ashidi no aye ya na enso pay a last respect
Kwame Grace Ashi
yeah
ono so de sa na okona o ma ye ne sa ma mi fi ase dan me tisa mu bo no nyom kama pa oyema abranti enti Ghana mpanyifo no nhwe menyam bibi ka bi kura o ntoma ma mi akwesa me de ni bi me na mu asuno ma fa diskai amko asuno na ma fa diskai
yeah ma asuno ba kwa
ma asuno ba kwa hey Kwame Grace Ashi yo katum kanyunutum
na yeti tini ya sumai mama wai rani boy no nisina sema furani jana ba magana zui mama wai rani boy no
Akuma Radio. Akuma Radio. Akuma Radio 97.1. We are blazing. 97.1.
Yahudi mira Yesu Tadani nara Yahudi Makumare Nyumse Enyunyamka Yahudi mira Yesu Tadani nara Yahudi Makumare Nyumse Enyunyamka
Okuma Radio.
You know, Kwame, I think say player back one, we need ball no ball. Na natural enchem esi to me personally, Ghana. Yempenyi for no bi, omanyo mu niema yie. Abrante ni free mu ya Christian Atsu. Yeah, make up football fraternity ne Ghana mpenyi for no bi, omo ne papa na ndi ni yie. Anke wose Kwame aturench anke ye nu ha o. Kenya ade ebedu ase na ye bo nwom se bi wo nwom e de agya Christian Atsu kwan anke ye nu ha. Ene say ye nua ba akon so Nsantoni e call voter aside one okohu de abrante bi de also left footed start your friend bright na Atsu asem de Kwame ya.
The boy Osha the last year done the boy I know, and I had a favorite song, and I said, Nyoma Christian Atsu Ope, because I remember that particular interview. Now, in the first time, I was signing contract to them at Newcastle United, and Ebisa and I said, Nyoma and Power Up, onto Nyoma Ope, and this was the song Christian Atsu I had a 2 year. Me, I don't the boy Atsu no voice.
Yes,
me ya wode mira Yesu, dada nyinara, me ya wode
makumare tunyuse. Enyunyam kambama.
That's it. So no, I want a bra born ni bibi o ye bian onim set na kra etinimu. Trade ampon dia. Ni pedua trade ampon dia. Enti bibi o ye bian no the trade ampon e den edi nanim. So I know say baby bia Christian Atsu Sam. I won't prepare no. I know say
I'm mujini madino nipa se no mu. Yeah, nipa se no. Yankopon hwema. Yankopon trans no say Atsu man tena Ghana o ne so man fa so ma nyini fia.
But I also say that we're paying dues to the and Oshiniama Atsu a year the boa in Yanka at the boa and you see a woman de fiase.
Amachi osofu ba kumbe ya miteti no Prophet Kofi Oduro o say Atsu ne awako ayini bi ko no nyese okope aduane anso okope ensa na okope the so-called stars and so-called Jeff for national no no be try no ne brochure na be yama no
me wo mo pe kan yeah
eno kwa kope bi no dia beto enyanka na ohwe omo prison for no a otu omo sika mo mai omo no eno
I remember in 1 week now Osha some of these prisoners are omo na omo buy a dance omo din some omo can that boy it's sad I'm not so close to Christian Atsu, but I'm close to his associates. Okay. And one Amando Abedu Ghana from Turkey, and China probably like this mission. And then come in the boy, he's down, totally down.
Yeah,
totally down.
Madam was off via Mitako Sanopa, Messano, maybe $50, maybe $100, maybe now come over to another Nipa we have one. Oh, yeah, down.
Yeah, the boy had you, but Ning and Campo and Sanya, Christopher Neji, Christa Semudi, Yamina Noma, on us.
There is some of the Kwame time. Sassam, you can't break your collection.
Can't be a chichi,
I can't break your collection.
Can't it be bra a boy inquisition? You could answer
it. Come here. So, Shanuma, Obapa, Grisashi, a body a share, Papa Winyam. Shanuma, Grisashi, a body, my black star. You have a trasia, so mine. enti wo de so no so o ma bibia ma no ana yenti ono so ma yenti what do you say?
I mean, Christian Achu nyeshe mami, but the way I can testify about Christian Achu and in Yamoya, I may share no video, be having a video call with Mubarak Wakasu, a very good friend. I said my call car woman said no, this guy a great guy and is a didn't command or catch Wakasu in 2019 after I see a film of AFCON. I say Waka Charlie, it's about time I see a J AFCON be my Ghana. The statement to make is it's about time I AFCON be my Ghana. Looking at the players, which is squad you Charlie, young far grown tone chain. I was say AFCON be my Ghana.
Onipa wua sebe isi enka na chia sembone atwewa hu minimum mo be handle blaster this time round come with me the atwewa for African Cup na man easy say ebi e bobo no a om the poster we ya no emra na nyumo oto no. It should be a motivation to the current players. Maybe we
should win next year's AFCON for Christian. We should win the AFCON for Christian Achu. And I think next year AFCON will be somewhere, I think February will be the same month that you so we should win the AFCON for Christian Achu. And I think it's a very great honor in Christian Achu. Whoever it is, Yanko Pompa and a year boy, Ebusiano, Bompa.
So all the over see na nine. We see a nine wo. Yes, remember that we gyina wo ayi bobo ho. TV if ayi bobo ho no ma, ya to be a you never be to fan cry. The year the okodia. Aye. We no fanta ni koku bi. And say we dey show one unyam.
But Achana.
Yeah.
To His Excellency, the President of the Republic. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Yes, the showboy Addo Kwadu Primai. Obe urem Achana now no so na be special guest of honor. Ono ana Achana ono so na urem na say ye ni sene na so they say no na be tena dwam. Yes, Samson the Ghana Football Association President Ketedin Simon Okreku, ono so be Minister for Youth and Sports Yura Mustafa Yusuf, ono so be by the Vice President of the Republic, ono so be by the former President of the Republic John Dramani Mahama, by Ghana titru omunyina urem na just a Christian Achu Chasam, and also na ye na man for team representative from Chelsea and so na be on Newcastle for for Everton, Bournemouth, Vitesse Arnhem, boy, whole season your best player. Samson FC Porto and so representatives and so Samson Hatta Sport. Representative Chita FC, only some owner and so a woman and I think so Bobo Quantity and so Malaga from Spain, I'm kind of Malaga. Malaga from Spain and so representative.
And can you catch what name was Tottenham? Where you support the Tottenham? Tottenham was where you support the Tottenham? Okay, mini. I'm going to bring you come. You shouldn't be out. I will be able upon Simedu. Go Simedu.
I don't know. So I don't know. But Europa League, you know. I am you for a ball against Robert. It's quite away with Spain. First leg, you know. I got 4-1 in favor of Manchester United. Now move Remu and so now here. Spain against Robert Tees. No more to about Arsenal and so on Sporting CP our Emirates Stadium and also the first leg, you know, equate 2-2. I'm for sharing him saying Thomas Partey ben Kunyana face why dedicated and so to me Ariama Christian Achu Samti and some of their doors so ne mum ne set ne fata Southampton and na Brenny Adonina and so me ku I mean Josephine and face no Doreen mo boy Juma Papa Josephine Doreen Michiamo and anumere na amo ye ne de toje mo Samara and bibi amoya ne sa mo fa ne sa na mo fa Josephine and Doreen
Josephine mo ya de anya mo hwe na mo sakra kam ka so be bo wa mo akọ insan for so mbeba akọ insan for ya
akọ insan for ne beba but so bubia ye bia me kasa abrabo no class what you say class sabi akọrinsa ni wu akọrinsa for na eko
akọ so go adwuma wanzam no wanzam for na beba Kami aku ashaula uwa ashaula I'm money mujo
love you
sa And it remember you, nay, Doctor Ben on their brain. With your tough, but you are that tough. Hey, Kwame, go here, I'm me, bro.
How many days?
I'm with your tough. Hey, come with me, bro. I'm see me, bro.
I'm on Saturday. Don't want to do your method.
They also must see that tough. Baku, we are now on by.
I tell you, what can I say?
I'm the dining high.
Okay.
Was a show for any dine.
Yeah.
I'm dying hand about near the dino. I say, I walk on him.
I walk. I didn't find my one thing.
The view said, I know the diner high.
I know you one thing. Yay, you may. And the customers buy.
Papa, and I didn't mean about come a woman. You see, you can also have Bonoman and see to see. You're quite a bra as a cosmote in the
Ofla Construction Limited Company for sure. Kaiser Ofla Construction Limited Company in Penny for say. And yes, cement in the blossom kun waton. Ubomodia do any trauma share. Gubenya a building equipment. Somebody person to call site a hoodwo. Concrete product. And for almost supply a war and near and for Bibi Biara who pebia or building site war. Kaiser almost so they are into real estate development and so it would no person who pejan in Tempa. Offer Ofla Construction Limited Company. Wobejo so for any job Busmasi crapim, a monochrome crapim. Koforidia Asunjay Junction was Sabeka Ofla Construction Limited Company from I was 055 295 7198 0594 6356 56 050 280 8992 and 027 90 954. Book social media handles in Ofla Construction Limited Company. Once I erekomo Kaisa mo free delivery. Baby I will be informed. Yedebekwa ko jaw Tempara. Say Ofla dia and there you are not building. Kayo say Ofla Construction Limited Company. Your property our priority.
Say you can say Dominion Herbal Powder, Emma immune system, and now in Quabo will nip a drum in Yadden, Nanny Senti, what I did, Yaresun Kunimua, and what dance be new.
I don't dare fine pa, Manumbi, Tina me do one dancing, and I say, me say
Dominion Herbal Powder, dear, Ninia, and yet a man for dancing, and a bacon fool, near a year will nip a diamono, a bro drink, and a mentia so, and my Dominion Herbal Powder, and Pau de Biarada.
Someone at the Hono, Dominion Herbal Powder, and once one year will so share will take up. Now that trick to us a biagumu, what transit yanum. We Angels Dominion Herbal Center one koko and a diaba, a painful, a baton more monuful, and Quada winning feed me a little one come. Dodo afre 054 315 8195.
FDA, Aji a Gadian Kratui Atum.
Meni Jiminia, Menu of fear, and then Tissania me penno. Meaning, quite a mefaso and fearful any bed Jimmy Drianin.
Menu pin, nan said ya papa peridian and no cinema medium.
Na fear ban is sending some yamini. As a semi yahu bibian san I'm watching.
For we with Diani free neco. Na fama said that bring me a tree.
Quite a desi. From Suku. Hello. I didn't know me drew her. Sabobani Dianasa, more beer and mommy subu.
Fear natural spices are done. We hear BCC, the Bian woman, Median, when we fear had that. I made the bean swap of Gumisu.
Fear natural spices powder. A down daddy.
At phone fre 0552 617 139 0546 761 939 0242 299 0691.
And 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
we ever. And so much you say money. And so young me be so damn money for what? It's me my pobre. Gana send this Masi wuje maya Monya me sabo Unya me no so de obiane de be mano Enti wudi atubo na mripa beba wa Papa maso age pe maso Ide ni emu ala ka me be Na so ko to di bia ya ko treni yo Na mu se so de ba ka me wo so wa
Radio 97.1. FM is rocking. We are blazing. Radio. Radio 97.1.
yo. Bami kuo, amasa bami kuo. Yemi ani ametumi, nimra no swana mi.
Okuma Radio.
Okwanoma, yemi ni mikama ba mori okofie. Yemi ametumi, nimra no swana mi bro. Okwanome, nanome, nanome. Makwanome, nimra swana mi bro.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Your official party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio 97.1. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. Okuma Radio 97.1.
I know why you're right. I'm going to say, I want to be here. We'll see you.
Okuma Radio, Okuma Radio.
Yes, you're baby. Yes, you're compliment yo.
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. FM is rocking. We are blazing. We are blazing. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Okuma Radio 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
I am
are blazing. Okumaini, Ebiani, the Kramuche. Okumai Radio. Okumai Radio. Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuman Radio 97.1. We are blazing.
Mi Fransantia Chimagogo, Oyenti, Matupa Besi Kumasi, Matlata, Matrama Ponting, Kunani Akuna, Medram Jamasi, Mampo, mi friend bro, oh, but yes,
Okumai Radio.
Matlata, Matrama Ponti, Kunani Akuna, Medram Jamasi, Mampo, mi friend bro, oh, but yes,
Station Radio Man Kenya, Okuman Radio 97.1. Hey.
Mena mi edeni Ibo asam to mi ana mi fahini Mana mo kwanware Watu kwa ntinti Akwankwa yanye so bi ama mi u Yaribo mena mi edeni Ibo asam to mi ana mi fahini
Okumai Radio.
Oh, when you guess, let's win no promo. Kotoko is so be a mammy. So gentlemen, where you went.
Okumai Radio. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Okumai, Jenny, the Kramuche.
Jimmy Sufra, Mammy, Bible, Jimmy Bible, Adora me Bible, Papa, Jimmy Sufra, Mammy, Bible.
Radio.
Omari Bras, Asiso, Ampo. Yes, Mano, Vogroso, Atiasia. Oh, Papa Najunkwa. Hey, Jemisu from Mammy Bambo Nuani. Imprey Yakoya Sangaba. I have come and you are going on song at Jiripoba Kushuni. No Nanga Papa Usima. At your Numbako. Aquaba drive in you, Yadamase. Monkosianti or Comanga no Perry and you may. At the Sumu Pop Muntie, young animal, Monsieur Yang. Hey, Haja. KJTR fire outbreak. Thief bastard for shoplifting and firelight. Hey, Mr. Yesu Christo by Grana Kron food in 19th. I made them pono. Mamma Bible and na Ghana yadasua wa Ghana boshumi ni muntino enenso no numba pa won simanu mu a mi se boshumi be ko na wiye no ye be chaade aha salo se be yesem bre bien onfre ba ko ye adubia enra wan fre bi jamene makeko odikuro on tren Amanfuma Bahimia and Nra one Freddy. Mere Makeko Blue Man. My bro in Pine Bonnie. Masara Filbo Miss Yomi and Anajubo Jaka boom boom near gospel. Ah, Tianyum don't it, Tianyum Munsam. Listen to the syncopation and the rhythmic pattern of this song and tell me this song and Anajubo Jaka boom boom, which one is gospel? Ah, Filbo Uye be Masara, then Yakopo Masara. No, Janajubo Jaka boom boom, Menana Guanabo, and I boom, Adriana 1 2 then Macrofu Yao. That's Yassi. Mammy Pambo Nuani Mina Oye Auntie Dinah Benuye Salo Mama Caro Auntie Fati The Kawoni Major Temisufra Charlie Butu de Weku Yapim Na enano Madaro Mamuntie me enano sorry tie o de brana be so ye keke laptop brofo yemfa nkwa kan kasem ye be kan den laptop fried rice and it does in the bio wheelbarrow enso ye brofo yes ye Ghana bosumi munti wo se kwa high wheelbarrow ba o kwa be kan si den socks singlet nitri ye den fried rice abaka nitri se den fried rice wheelbarrow socks singlet laptop fork post office choir master menina beka choir master o se me choir practice be the method is choir practice enti choir master no ne twi ye den choir master ne twi laptop ne twi post office ne twi fried rice twi wheelbarrow so ye de go twi mu singlet na socks afi fork aha nyame ya adoma ochina obra kwantu beba so obra akwantu na ochina no enye adibia ehun bego ochina so yebetie nsem pa na ochina no wotwe papa wonsima ade nangnum 8:45 na yenwura KAB Kofi Anson Bafo osubroni a owa ho faduru o se utimu abobe onu ankasa ne timu abobe na watra gwam na ya aje ne yoyo abo no bambamba takwasi eje ni bela ni kwami edi ni Tinubu mankasa nso mi wa ha zigi jeze ochina no team ni nyina ya solid as a blaster koshi Angola no na yenwura oreba edukrom hine osuo dumja otutu ababio otoso enum ochina ono no oreba obra kwantu so wo koman aduakron ason agiri bo baako entitie bi frobi no bi so obra kwantu na kwame ampedu so obra wabra anywhere o into bi kabia na so watumi atie bi dochina anopa no wotwe papa osima aduanangnum 8:45 na obra kwantu no yade anum Mama Elise Ayao, Mama Elizabeth Ayao afe yenga yenu aberema sa fori eyaze okojina assemblyman na akora chairman so wabiru ono so kojina assemblyman na sabri di hotel aba obia bonse ma won so ko hono mu a wani beje wo ho kwasi bia hotel na kwasi bia hotel yi Wadaro ma ukopie mo wan ma wani beje papa a very serene environment adang papa wasiesie mu na ukwa ubenya a premium suite wow DSTV bouquet papa Mr DSTV no me ka ma asemo Missy fufu aya aba no eso on faso sen fried rice ke enkwango ganze sebi TV bia TV nti ko tobi na kuna ko yeti papa o ye kwasi bia hotel hono na adwo ho ate o minibar kitchenette Madaroma kitchenette no so ankasa ukura u bibi na pese o ka na hye ni ade bitwachi nkosua ba akon bi wo hono we ya ne pese wo ye mbotimi ayo ho kama o se ba wi ye kama ho ye kama pa aso wo guest washroom or guest washroom what you see obi word masebe donzi wo hoyi ni charger se o si there bi ono nkwa nti obisa ni charger pe ni wa ifufuru bi e di ama eno no nese no o de show phone na ntimi nya yi nti o guest charger a sheni bag no di ama sa na kwesi bi anso o guest washroom for junior suite and so in the mini bar na for DSTV no ekura mu papa deluxe plus and so mini bar and DSTV ni tuamu Wadaroma deluxe mini and so hono a Wadaroma DSTV and for mini bar no tuamu ho Wadaroma conference hall somewhere conference mbe kwa ba na mbeda nyumaku ahoro asofo mpanyini Methodist Presby Roman Anglican mo ko conference mo beba bia conference na sumdwera na mo be shas na mo de awie enu ane kwasi kwasi bia hotel okropon ku apim o event center swimming pool papa pata echi na watwe awie de live band pa na wakagum etimtim immigration ban na reba oh Barbados Quantum Ponos okropon ku apim 0303 96 1989 0303 96 1989 and I feel 02000 83 434 Kwesibia Hotel Wechobia Anoteso Kobisa Tontom. Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies, Loma Vista IPS. Open school papa ma oba wo fast unu ya bi. Mona to yana disua so SS no. Enu Loma Vista. O manfi ekuapem. Business, science, general art, home economics, and visual arts. What you bring challenge na bi ho. Technical, vocational, and remedial class na what the turn of deck no. Adaroma obe ma kama oni etumi agye ho. Double track is on my kwanga. Now this young koso papa. Me go say what for this young for friend panyini na won call mu ya. 0246 246 875 0246 246 875 0243 976 685 Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies. What's it? Educate, challenge and inspire. Me some friend man me pipe and ruin. Me pipe boy. It is Shannon so mama Shannon so laptop. What the best of our here? Laptop wow sha. Obekani trees a day. And now where man tree din na ye hwade. What's the Queen Elizabeth? O kan brofo no tipe na odi akọ dictionary ma sai brofo foforo. Enti wo the laptop no we abra na man din na ye hwe. Post office obekani se ngo tree mu. Enu achi choir master afe fried rice wheelbarrow socks fork na singlet. Na jiun kwa na me ka say Elise Ayao and afe Bendu Village Resort Bendu Village Resort ewo Ketase Ekuapime ya Dansu Jelen Farms Wanda Roma na ne yeritwa amatofo na tum edi ama na nema ya bobosu nyinara waka ne twi mu kurojin di akere yen kurojin Ekuapine bese kurojin Meja Santu Agora Santu brafo ne de ya na manfo pe yeah.
Oh, listeners. No, listeners. This is Akwaba Drive Time. Your host. No.
Hello, listeners. Hello, listeners. 0551-667755 0551-667755 Nana Oye Wadaroma Nana Oye Abaso. Hello. Okumanio.
Okuapamano.
Nana Oye.
Papa.
Bajo Uye.
Pacho you.
Yo, mino ye Yamishao. Na anyumrei Yankwe, are you ready?
My ready. Can I
Laptop.
Laptop.
Sirasuro.
Yo.
Okay, you can say Sirasuro F3.
Yo, Sirasuro F3.
Okay, Sirasuro F3 laptop. Okay. Post office.
Yeah, you me wo.
Post office.
Amanade dang
post office.
Yo, amanade dang.
Choir master. Yo.
Obia ochirachira
funyum.
You.
Teaching music song.
I don't mean.
Okay. Fried rice.
No.
Fried rice.
Angwamu.
Fried rice angwamu.
Yo.
Beautiful. Wow. What's the fried rice here day?
Angwamu yache.
Angwamu yache.
Yo.
Ango siadaso.
Yo.
There is God. Wheelbarrow. Yo.
Wheelbarrow ye lorry or the fanema.
What the fanema?
Yeah, watching.
What fanema watching?
You.
And socks.
Socks and nang pieto.
You. And the body's where there.
What is the by no pieto.
Fork. Fork here then. Fork.
Yes. Ateren konsong.
Ateren konsong. Mate, tabri unam Max no afra nti unam be.
Na chotie.
Yeah.
Alukutu gbi no na yi no mo nkyere yenge.
Alukutu gbi yes sap.
Then
Sap. Unse a very sour. O the counter jama say adibia e show kakra very sour sap. Alukutu gbi bro for ne why?
Yo, mate.
Na wo se fork ne den?
Fork ne Ateren konsong. Yo,
o Max na ekosoro why?
Mate.
Me no ye. Ida se pa. Na unche obia.
Me chia okumanfu nyina chia mebusuafo. Awo Royal Junction.
Ya da se pa. Ya me chira. Mama na junkwa 0551 667755. Hello. Inani. What fire ni o. Good. Sabri do ba pe na ma hu. What fire? Hello. Akuma ni o.
Okradma no fe.
Afaya hu ye.
Nyame adom me ho.
Ya de nyame ase papa. Hello. No, afaya hu so o Max no suru ya na rekọ. Why?
Yo.
Then na one friend.
Anna na me credit from.
Okay. Of a laptop.
The boy.
Yes, sir.
The young man with you.
And do the forging can be a laptop on ye. Nitri didn't do the forging can be near.
Oh,
okay. Post office.
Hey,
Afaya.
Yes, sir.
Fried rice.
And it's a man in the room now, dear.
And I've already only fried rice.
Salmon.
And salmon, yo.
You almost on about him.
I know. Okay, socks. Yo. Now, fork also here then. Fork. Unim fork trading. Ane.
I made a million mark.
Oh, of I no mass at Yaba film. Wheelbarrow. Yo.
You are taking a water.
I wheelbarrow nutria then.
Nanichi,
so na me bizao.
Minimo.
Medasi into fire. O Max never film why? I agree. I agree. Tree move school na e bro fun kwa. Yeah, that's a pa 0551667755. 0551667755. Yeah, laptop nitri di na ya post office. Obi aba man so don zi wadaro ma yenko. Hello. Sweetie Beni. Odukro oni ase mi ane papa. Ana why you oketro? Okay. Ana why you meko? Odukro peduan bi di na se na wanyin afa no misrawo. Why? Akuma ni o.
Okramano.
Odukro onso wo Max wa ha. Yo. Odukro yankwa laptop. Muma suapon. Okay. Laptop. Muma suapon. Okay. Post office.
Paper cry
omena bia.
Yo.
Wow. Choir master. Ocheche nyum.
Yo.
On the choir master.
Yo.
Okay. Fried rice. Yo.
Omu
aungacho.
Yo.
Grilled rice. And now roasted rice.
Toasted rice.
Okay. Wheelbarrow.
Car, what is the sound? Mura.
Cow this ura.
And 3 hours this Mura.
Okay. Yeah. Socks.
Nang Tama.
Nang Tama. Singlet. Inshasi. Good. Fork. I did this second.
Yo.
Medasi pa makra. Yamishira pa. Ti say waba wadim pa. Nicha so say adenya na wo.
Bajoyo.
Nsuro kra why? That's pa odi kro di yanko school papa. Yamishira no. 0551667755. That's right. Ghana month for you. A friend me, sweetie, my angel. A friend me, hey, if we are born some 0551667755. And now don't see me share young boy because it also for questions I will be saying number me kebi yo laptop post office choir master fried rice wheelbarrow socks singlet na fork ni nyinara yare kan yen akan kasam ya bra kwasi bro ni mfa ne bro fo mai no na post office what can den wa kan kasam laptop yi e be kan den choir master e be kan den fried rice wheelbarrow socks singlet na fork 512 don't say ne yen nobody first there be nobody first Ghana month so far I am impressed many aj papa do the bra oba ye be mo twa tum na wakasa ye be twa watum na wakasa a laptop post office choir master fried rice wheelbarrow socks singlet na fork ni nyinara akankasam ne pese wo kire wo de kire na ye hwe na JDK adun se men kanche wo si wo dan no unya cement iron rods na doa iron and galvanized pipe square pipes round pipes angle pipes na flat bar bra won asue wo man point ku apem opposite Tetekwashi Memorial Hospital o na obehu won akire kwan 0244 429533 na 0244 857 874 oh don't try Wazaba. Enti mina oye. Wo fire. In fact, wo fire. O modern bono e ga kakra bi nke cross na mom. Odikro. Okay. 0551 667755. Enti yahwa Odikro bewo okay, men can pray. Now Bendu Village Resort. What's it? Sabri Oje weekend ya. As them we are show, them we are ding, them we are there. Nesanti Modinga Nabra Kitase police station and Jemwa. I wanna Bendu Village Resort Ubutu. Nako piwa wanibeje or restaurant. Afi bar local dish in the continental dish now Adaroma or event center. Why a wedding a year outdoor engagement over the 10th anniversary. We a party. We say upe bia a man for mera no major weni and you are in Bendu Village Resort. Okutumu debia. Afi barbecue bi wo point and kill feel catfishy ina bi wo no mo. Modingara na bra na beje wani friend penyine 0559 50 50 58 0559 505058 na 0541 16 68 62 Bindu Village Resort. Obi aba homa no so na yenkwa ne nchen. Hello. Inani. Hello inani.
Yo,
Bafana.
Yo, the boy.
Original.
Yes.
Bafana kaza viva.
Me kaza fi akropa manfo.
Hey. Bafana South Africa ni awu akropa manfo. Akra wa krado.
Hello.
Wa krado ana.
Yo, mpate bitio.
Yo, yenkwe. Laptop.
Laptop.
Laptop ya ni twi yede.
Mpate laptop no ni twi di your friend laptop na.
Okay, ntimi nkan otwi mu.
Mpate you.
Laptop na wo lap ya wo infa.
Me lap ya me fere so.
Okay. Na top yede.
Top de be ntimi kire nia ese ye.
Ese bi a table top and pen top.
Okay.
Siti ga do wadwe. Anka do wadwe fa ma betumi aka bibi o.
Metimi ma ho ya sa.
What's Queen Elizabeth o kan brofo no timpe na odi akọ dictionary mu. Post office. Yo.
Enkrata
mena bia.
Mpate you.
Okay. Choir master. Yeah, Nyochire nyum.
Yo.
And the be teacher of music.
Yes.
Okay. Fried rice. Omo anwa achewo.
Yo.
Eti wuchi we buronsu ya wende.
Ano say e buronchiri ya.
Buronchiri, okay. Wheelbarrow ya den.
Wheelbarrow. Any trading. Yo.
And the telephone auto wheelbarrow. Yo. Socks. Yo.
Socks ya
Naya tare.
Yo.
Wow. Singlet
ya
Frana. Yeah. Na singlet the one who say Frana. Na post office. Fork was you there?
Fork.
Yeah.
Hello.
Fork you there?
Fork you have the full break.
Hey, Bafana.
Yes, sir.
Singlet in the walk and pop.
Mark a singlet in the wall. Let us say, animator.
Now, sir, I feel our friend. Oh, Abraham have won 8 points. And I feel now 3 points. Oh, Bafana. 0551667755. Bafana. Donzi no kwasem. Ni nimo ho nyina wo twidin. Singlet no ano na Bafana kan no. Frana. Obi the text message about home. Okay, and one sangrofo no bia you have a 21 gig of this thing. You are lucky to. 5:19. We have 6 more minutes to go. Over to me the 0551 667755. 0551 667755. Laptop. Post office. Choir master. One more 3 dictionary. Yeah, 3 dictionary. Ebi wo. Here can dictionary no. Ebi wo. Pa. Danzi. This Mwaniema gufie pa. 3 dictionary. So when we say, don't you say Manchester ya apradatre? Manchester ya apradatre. Yes, sir, Masay. I want them to find Uncle Barris a man for buffer so they be now whatever baby. Now what are they? Because points in the amount for any points no. Inti say they be do say young child no. Don't the young fena you be a friend crofisi 1 year points. Odi Kuro say over 70 points. Mino ye it was 75. And then Bafana afre okay will be aba. Hello. Inani. Hey. Oh. Don't you be out there to be actually no. I'm a dubia adena toko. Huh? Oh, I'm a dubia adena toko. Oh, fatu ane dubia mremu. What you say? Dubia busumi. O points na o film. Good points na o film. Benra okay, Martin. Dubia so be free. Salo. O yare amamente. Ebujanfo na what reader. Aye boy you ne beba so. Na ochina yebedi nkomo yo ochina yebedi nkomo na yours truly na kwesi manan mene ofe Maxwell ofe I want then 0551677755 intelo obetumi afre dubia so betumi afre na miwia me de betutu mama mo mi na mo bia na wo star 787 hash. Star 787 hash. What's say was ye? Agunyo. Yazaba. Star 787 hash. Mummo munsam. In bringing the Obia Yosikani, the Yaso Benya phone, no register. Register pet where would I be? Oko wanim.
A friend, darling, sweetie, my angel.
And about two. Uribedi 10,000 Ghana cedis in Kangno 100 million. Mina misi donzi. Breve na misi minya 100 cedis a minni. In the better. It is 6 months. Na minya 5 million cry. It is 6 months. Na 5 million. Minya biye. So we make 100 cedis actual free J. Now you're beer. On your beers no commencing best don't really best you watch it. Yeah. Now star 787 hash de me no ka say ya offer phone now bo star 787 hash a ura mu se kron na ko wanim na fe net so ya bi no wo de phone no ato take dudu bia ope bia na for the phone na tuaka wo say agori bia ahweyiye wo ho agori bia ahweyiye wo ho
say jamia meye osinjenya aso abonyi
I throw you challenge. What can you trim say meto preja challenge meto preja fatu team yewura saminfum ochrem niema donzi niema mabosu yinara yewura saminfum otitwi na onimtwi papa na utwa ne sa na udia ensign full house wo ho a obetumi ama osika ni bi dia pi so se wa nipa obetumi ama 40 cedi 50 cedi dan wo ma nipa ba ku abien abiesa anan enum asia aduono obi a 40 Ghana cedi times na menhwe Merin Kanrio the star 787 hash de ababuya enu achi no jackpot na kasa obetumi adi 7,700,000 newly accepted golden choppable holistically Ghana cedis. Now just say why you better my pring adi net me akwangang de amount 85 phone na dial star 787 hash net ya ka dudu bia beto twa bia betumi atwa na mo invisia du nson dua o twedi kode a mesewara in Trebi.
Darling, sweetie, my angel. Me out that the wheezy.
Madam Roma, what's the human you have my human? I open the agent in my star 787 hasha. With me a friend Penny. It was 0559 689 948. 0559 68 9948. Now 0272 63 6448 star 787 hash. Nkrata mane bia post office peso mane krata bia saudi ko saudi reba no eho na sebe wode mane aha
naso abu onye die no onyame no pre no seja mi ana obehu awo twen
oshomu fried rice omono I show papa cause watch you there. Ebru watch you, it may show. Now or show Jawum. Don't it you, whoever no ochupia daddy free. Ochupia daddy free. Wheelbarrow. Wheel. What you say now was it to pia ochupia. Na sa di donzi wheelbarrow no minya ne din wo basri aso dem enkan no ade bi asabi obi wi a odna so wheelbarrow no wo se wo di ochupia da de firi no beba na ye de ade na to so apia akọ na ochupia da no so wheelbarrow enang asheshede aha socks enang asheshede wodo nang behim ahya black correct what you say
na so asetina menyu
frana no e singlet eno na bafana ebe kan no frana e singlet edinam na edit fork no edinam na sana waka no edinam kwa masansu mu try jom kireni onipa o kire jom aha o kire nyom sana yaka no nyom na jom kireni kwa master so go Donzi, who's a laptop near there? Laptop ready, no question when you laptop on it, no question. Yay! It's the young for your found. Young for your found here. Even your lap, yes, top here. So it is so. Hey! Ajay! Sina Sudan. Sina Sudan. Yan fan Sara laptop. Yan fan laptop na. Okay, je wada mazipi moya de. My mama ene agona ya de nemo ene odikro obo no modern papa panti usha nene na nsa odikro bo no modern nenso odikro abo no modern minoye nso da no bo no modern ne ba nu ye antumi afre yeah man enti obia point orinya ya gbabu anu Ghana month no etwam pe achede no beba mete ase medi ni kwa me da ko mete de funyina amrant ni D-boy race to the power one ya fast dan ma Ziggy B DJ Donzi afia frafia muje brefre nyina we say Bafana we are the frana na utwa ne yema 5 points nti wo points enum what you say aha ye buabua points na no Ghana busumi pe be chade ya fast dan bi ma ye wura KB Kofi Anson Bafo na fe wosu ya oje brefre Donzi Ziggy B munyinara ya de mas papa McFadden enyamisha mpa ya ko fa news no na fe 6:45 no ya de nkai body abremo sa DJs na to aso akop mo ochina no pa no no otwebo pa osimadu anan enum a obra akwantu nana otutu ababio otoso yanum adukurum hene na oreba ochina e wo yemfia yura ke bi betenase memenda so yebekọ aye bobo ayi no ochina obi bia emra na yofra na adwe ho kakra betumi di aboya na de beka yende ho na agya yede kọ ofe Maxwell nyamisha papa si bedi ahia afi mo man so one graduation no ebeba so on the 1st of April 2023 Junior School Park ne so Ghana National Tailors and Dressmakers one graduation ebeba so mo frama akoma kudu na wore pon wo ho Master Abu na busia furu nyinara da mase papa pon yankopon hia no ntanim nkyerem yede besia na ya twentwen so afani so no yeba base atu yaso bi nyam hia mo nyina da mase pa bye bye
a friend darling sweetie my angel me out that the easy a friend hey if wa bonsam na so asits na me yutne wa de jara me ye ma o wa de jara me ye ma o osana da me da wuti ye de ma say odo pa me ti do wuti ye de ma say odo fira kumemo ye de ma say odo sun pa me ti do wa ode ye de ma say o
Party station for 2023 and beyond. Okuma Radio. Thank you for making us number one. Thank you for making us special. We are together forever. 97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing. Hey, station radio man Kenya. Okuma Radio 97.1. Hey. Don't go anywhere. More coming up.
Because good music can be so hard to find. So hard to find.
Get it here.
It's your boy Travis. Gym Class Heroes, baby.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
Yeah. Eja etwamu no nansa yemie.
Sanso ena ensemfofo mu no ene na oswafo ya wo hwe ye bambo ensem so omemu no wonu so de adwebrɛw ene abodwo nsem akwakoma imoro ishifa busua
yebekɔsɔ gyina sansem no mu na udu ashama na enya sekita kra ɔlɔyi ni baako a wogyina mu de ma de hye bi a yɛbo mu ɛwɔ ashama ɛkyerɛ sɛ deɛ kɔso no etwa yie ɛne timpanyefo fam na esi fam
kane Ghana President Emma Ghana Football Association kwesi nyantachi kyerɛ sɛ Anas Arimia Anas wunim na nanim no kwanfo bia ni Africa ha no ho cha Anas
anwere yɛbɛkɔ team antane mu na wɔkyerɛ sɛ nkrɔfo bi akwakɔdi ɔsɔfo bi aboa ɛwɔ na fom na yɛbɛkyirim
yɛbɛkɔ kede na deɛ fi hɔ ba ɛne sɛ yɛburo bi no mu ahyama no kedefo nso no yɛbo nsɛnkyerɛfo
you are lucky. I'm giving away a brand new mobile phone this and every Thursday on Star 787 Hash Lottery. Yes, Star 787 Hash. Just buy 3 tickets and it could be you. Follow the steps. 1. Load money onto your mobile money wallet. 2. Dial Star 787 Hash. 3. Select play now. 4. Buy 3 tickets and confirm your mobile money wallet PIN. You are on your way to win 20,000 Ghana cedis and 50,000 Ghana cedis jackpot every weekend. And better still, you stand a chance of winning 200 Ghana cedis every Tuesday and 2,000 Ghana cedis every Thursday. Once you have bought your ticket, tag me on Facebook or Instagram, #Abeku787, and you stand a chance of winning a brand new mobile phone from me. Terms and conditions apply. Star 787 Hash Lottery. Play big and win big.
This lottery is for persons 18 years and above only.